Hello, you're welcome to this class. At the end of this class, you'll be able to calculate the inverse of a 2 by 2 square matrix. So for this problem, this is a matrix A, a 2 by 2 matrix. And we're going to look for the inverse of this matrix, okay? So the inverse symbol will be a raised to the power minus 1. But before we can find the inverse, we need to find the determinant of this matrix. So this determinant is what we use to determine whether it is invertible. So we say find the determinant of this matrix. The determinant of this matrix, in my former video, my previous video, I did show you how to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. So it's going to be 3 times 6, 3 times 6 minus 2 times 2. 3 times 6 minus 2 times 2. 3 times 6 gives you 18. 2 times 2 gives you 4. Therefore, our answer will be 14. 18 minus 4 will give you 14. So, if your determinant is not 0, therefore it's invertible. Therefore, this matrix is invertible. So let's find the inverse of this matrix. So how are we going to do that? So first of all, write the symbol e raised to the power minus 1. This term, this element will come down, while this other element will come up, while this will become minus and this will become minus. So we'll do it like this. We'll draw. This will be 6, this will be 3, this will be minus 2, and this will be minus 2. All over the determinants. All over the determinants. So this is the formula for finding the inverse of the matrix. Therefore, this is the inverse of this matrix. So how do you check if it's actually correct? You do that by multiplying the two matrices, which is A times A minus 1. And we know if you multiply a number by its inverse, it gives you 1, right? So we're expected to get a unity matrix, a matrix that will give us 1 after we multiply these two matrices. So we're going to check. Okay, so we're going to multiply these two matrices. Okay, so that will be A inverse will be equal to 3, 2, 2, 6, and 6 over 14 minus 2 over 14 minus 2 over 14, 3 over 14. So these are the two matrices that we're going to multiply. So remember, it's going to be like this. This multiplied by this, plus this multiplied by this, then this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this. So that's what we're going to do. So it will give us a large final matrix, which will be 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18 over 14 plus 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4 over 14, right? That's the first element. Now the second element will be this times this plus this times this. So that will be 3 times minus 2 is minus 6 over 14. 2 times 3 over 14, which is plus 6 over 14. Hope you're getting me. So now the next element will be gotten by multiplying this line by this line. So 2 times 6 will give you 12 over 14. 6 times minus 2 over 14 will give you minus 12 over 14. So now the final element, you multiply this by this. So it's 2 times minus 2 over 14, which is minus 4 over 14, right? Plus 6 times 3 over 14, which is plus 18 over 14. So we've gotten our identity elements, our identity matrix. We've gotten our identity matrix. So this will be equal to, this will be equal to 18 minus 4 will give you what? 14 over 14. Minus 6 over 14 plus 6 over 14 cancels out, right? So it gives you 0. 12 over 14 minus 12 over 14 will give you about 0. While minus 4 plus 18 will give you 14 all over 14. And we all know that 14 over 14 gives us 1. 14 over 14 gives us 1. Giving us our unity matrix. So once you get a unity matrix, when you multiply a matrix and its inverse, that means the inverse is correct. So this is the inverse. This is the inverse of this matrix. I hope you've gotten this solution. So see you in my next video. Thank you. If you think you're getting value from my lessons and videos, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and loved ones. Thank you for watching. Bye.